Hey, Sam from SW Gasworks. I just want like to say a massive shout out to Hotun for sending me out this parcel today. Got 5 detects, 5 special edition red Tundishes I'm buzzing with. See inside there, they've got a little non-return to stopping the odours up, which you can use on your PRVs for the combis. This one's got the shield on, which has got a load of shields here. In the next video I'll show you one fully set up with a detect on as well. We'll do a little test on one. Thanks again, Hotun. And here it is, fully set up, shield and detect. So when water passes through into the tundish, it will go onto this little sensor here, sounding off a siren, which will alert the customer to come into the cupboard, see that there's water passing through into there, and contact us guys. And it's doing its job. It prevents any water wastage. That's the alarm there, as you can hear. I've tested it. It'll prevent any water wastage and easy diagnostics as well. So please go check out these guys. Thanks again to Ian at Hotun for sending out this amazing package. And keep your eyes peeled to see them on my install soon. Thanks again.